seem to have gotten a lot worse than a lot of the rest of the area.
To get the fuck out of there, but he damn sure tried to pull out in front of me. It depends on where you are. Where's 128?
That's Gene Snyder.
Well, it's not looking good heading south from right around where you're at. You might want to double check. I just left the house probably 20 minutes ago, and it was looking bad, man. On the news, you know how they got the news crews out there and everything. I don't know, man. I wouldn't necessarily get on there to chance it until you get a definite there, Roger.
Yeah, I appreciate that, driver.
They got so many stranded motorists around E-Town on 65 that they just deployed the National Guard to go rescue them. That ought to tell you all you need to know.
Of course.
They do live right down here. Troy's record.
Yeah.
Anybody heard what that Joe Prather's looking like? Over here on this 61.
Oh, look, there's the guard.
You there, driver? Yes, sir, you there? Right now, I'm pulling up at the 105 gas station, truck stop, whatever the hell you want to call it. And I'm about to make my way through here. I'm about to be blazing trails there, Roger.
Now, I'm over at 480 right now at the Love. I just called 480 down there that way.
If you're at the Loves, stay there. Is there any way to pull in there? I ain't in a big truck. I'm in a Suburban.
I ain't got to that point yet. Hell, we're still standing up here stranded.
Okay. Yeah, I'm bypassing all this mess. I'm off work today. I figure I had me a little adventure. So I'll get you down there, man, if you 20, 30 yards. And yeah, this is all bad. But yeah, this is the way to do it if you're gonna do it.
I'm up on the green lane, I'm in the left lane.
Oh shit. What the hell happened here? He said water's on the road down here. This car ain't gonna make it. You ain't gonna make it. Dude, you ain't gonna make it. You gonna have to turn around, man. It's shut down. You ain't gonna be able to get through.
We were just in Florida yesterday, it was 80 degrees.
It's amazing what 700-800 miles will do.
68 Charlotte right now. All the way out, but then as soon as I hit Nashville, it turned into rain. As soon as I hit the Kentucky line, it turned into freezing rain. I knew I was in trouble. I can't complain. It's Chicago, but I don't have to get it at 3:30 in the morning, so I should be alright.
I say we unstrap a couple of them pontoons and go sledding. What the fuck? That dude was fucking hogging the fucking road.
Yeah, I see him. He's
Y'all can get off at this 105, take 61 south. You can get off at the 105, take 61 south.
Did you see? It's like it's an old, and I mean like from like the 50s or 60s, one-story hotel, motel type deal, right? Well, they've turned it into like apartments, and this was probably 6, 7, well, it's probably longer than that, probably about 10 years ago. I went down there and I pulled off, right, because I was just like, wonder what the hell's up with Bonneville, you know, Pontiac, Bonneville, this, that, and the other. I just wanted to check it out, you know. Well, I pull off, and there, I swear they had probably a 10-piece band of people that, like, they turned this old ass hotel motel into an apartment complex.
filming this shit. They got him with a fucking cable and a fucking rope. They're police escorting this son of a bitch. It's game warden in front of him, game warden behind him, sheriff behind him. Yeah, pulling a semi. Somebody got a kiddie pool, let's fill it up with hot coffee water. I'm trying to head north on 61 here. North? Well, what about? Well, I ain't trying to. Actually, I'm trying to head south on this road. They got it shut down? All right, cool. Thanks, man.
Good National Guard right there.
Thank y'all. Yep. Thank y'all.
This is a bona fide disaster area right here, man. There's the ambulance we saw. It's up there on 65.
I wonder if that's the same one.
Yeah, I think it is. There's another EMS vehicle pulling up right there.
National Guard.
Yeah, National Guard 2. Man, look at that old Freightliner. Old Mac 2.
Sexy-ass Freightliner.
That Mac 2.
That Mac looking good too. Getting that job done. They're up there on 65 on the southbound side. It looks like they're already providing assistance. There's a National Guard Humvee behind them. Oh, shit. That's crazy. They done broke the first rule. Once you get going, don't stop. Yeah, they evidently scared. I'm glad I'm in a four-wheeler right now. I got a strap. Sometimes this is what you got to do. You just got to go around and get through the best you know how. And that's what we're doing. E-Town 13 miles. We gonna make it to Vine Grove, I promise you that. All he needs is a little bit of tug. Nice try.
No.
It ain't worth it. Big snow, 2015. We're gonna get the job done. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. We're gonna do what they say can't be done. I'll see what I can do.
There's another one.
Good Lord. He say he just came up the hill or came down.
I didn't hear.
Well, here we are.
I think this is just one car that's stuck. No, I don't know. I think we might be able to weave through.
I think he's gonna look good. If that Tahoe fucking
I guess follow the tow truck.
he just got screwed. Probably two-wheel drive. I'm not getting behind him.
They're pushing him.
And he's gonna start fucking easing back over this way again. And don't let off. Don't let off. Whatever you do not fucking let off. See, the semi is going to start turning.
Well, he has to. There's a car over here.
No, but he's going to start turning this way, and then the fucking thing, then he's going to be pushing the trailer on the axis of the fucking fifth wheel. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I just don't feel comfortable getting it. They think they got it. That fucking coaster is gonna come over on that truck, on that car. Fuck it. I didn't quit pushing.
Well, he's going on his own now. Sort of.
In order to fucking get up here to where he's gonna make the money. That car's already been hit air-wise.
Yeah.
He's there for the duration.
Yeah.
His tires are off the ground. He's done, dude. WLKY made it through here.
Yep.
Holy hell. What do you think? Go around this way?
Yeah, it looks like it's been cleared. Wow.
Is this off in the mud?
Kind of.
Should I go this way?
I don't know, whatever's.
You filming?
Yep.
I'm going this way.
Okay. I think there was an avalanche or something.
No.
There's more up here.
Keep me around. Fucking shit ain't moving nowhere. Them trucks, most of them ain't even running.
A lot of them have run out of gas.